Today, I'm going to open the GeekGear Wizardry monthly subscription box for May 2019. Okay, so just in case you guys are new here, this is a monthly subscription box, and you are able to pick whatever house you belong to, and I'm a Ravenclaw, so any house-related items in this box will be blue for Ravenclaw. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Ooh, okay, so right on top, before I get into anything else, we have our little scratch-off card, and we have who our box was packed by. So it looks like my box was packed by Doris, so thank you, Doris. And let's go ahead and scratch this quick. Okay, so it looks like I got no win, better luck next time. So let's go ahead and get into the box. And I already saw the shirt, and this looks amazing. Okay, so it is Cornish Pixies, and it's in blue, and I absolutely love this. So blue is one of my favorite colors, besides it being my house color. It's definitely right up there with one of my favorite colors. I also like black and gray and all the other darker colors, but blue is right up there, and I love, love, love the Pixies. And there's a project on the horizon you guys will be able to see, and it features some of this in there. So, yeah, I love the Pixies, and I love the scene in the Chamber of Secrets where Gilderoy Lockhart brings out the Pixies and they wreak havoc. They cast Gilderoy Lockhart so well in that movie, but yeah, I love this shirt. I love that it's blue. We really rarely ever get blue shirts, so yeah, this is a good one. All right, good start. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, so we got a box with a G on it. And it's pretty heavy. This is a cool looking box. So let's see. Ooh, I think this is a Gringotts key. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, that's awesome. So we got a Gringotts Vault Key, and it actually gives it a vault number. So I have Vault 2055. That is awesome. Okay. I love this, and this is a really nice key, and I love the little detail with the vault tag. Okay, that's really, really good. GeekGear has definitely been stepping up their game, and it has not gone unnoticed. It's really, really good. Okay, so let's see. Oh, we got a pin. We haven't gotten a pin in a little while. And it says, "You're a wizard." It's got the lightning bolt on it, so that's cute. I like that. All right. Ooh, we have another box here. Oh, let's see. Okay, so it's got a belt on. Oh, you know what? This kind of looks like Hagrid's outfit, and I think he was a tip or a hint for this month's box with something to do with Hagrid. So let's see what's in here. I don't know if it's going to be like food related. Oh, what is this? Oh, cool. Oh, it's his lantern that he takes him out into the dark forest with. Okay. That's cool. I wonder if it lights up. Let's get this thing out. Oh, it's got a little handle. Okay, so that's really cute. It's really well made. It's a nice, like, coppery color, so that's cool. Okay, it does not light up. I kind of wish it did, but that is really, really cute. Oh, I like that a lot, too. Okay. Good box so far. I'm really liking it. Oh, it looks like we got a piece of art. Let me open this up. Okay. So it looks like it's a proclamation educational decree. Okay, that's cool. So we have the educational decree number 82. All students will submit to questioning about suspected illicit activities, as referred to in decree number 157 of 1,924. So apparently there were 1,924 decrees. I don't remember it being that many, but that's crazy. Formerly known to be the Ministerial Management of Magical Mayhem Act number 792, and subject to approval by the very important members of section MITRX. All right, that's really cool. And this is printed on a really nice thick material. So, yeah, that's cool. All right. So, we got the tea. Let's see. And I'm going to be honest, I haven't tried as many of the teas as I would like. They're really pretty. I may put some in jars like some of you have suggested to kind of be like potion ingredients. but I do want to try all the teas. So maybe I will kind of brew them all that we have so far for you guys so you can see them. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see and kind of get an idea of what I think they taste like and whether they're worth it or not. So this is Elixir of Life tea, and this is a blood orange infusion. Ooh. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be like the elixir of life that would have come out of the Sorcerer's Stone. So that's really cool. So let's see. It's apple, hibiscus, rosehip shells, citrus peel, and flavoring. That sounds really good. I want to open it up so you guys can see it. Okay, oh, this smells really good. You can really smell the orange in there, and that's really, really pretty. Ooh, it's really strong orange. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to try more of these teas, especially since they gave us that really awesome strainer. So, yeah, that smells really, really good. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so, yep, they now have their own YouTube channel called The Mad Bunch, and if you subscribe, you can win a year subscription from them for free, so you might want to do that. I know I subscribe to them. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Here's the cheat sheet. Let me put that off to the side. Oh, we got another piece of art, it looks like. Ooh, and it's Amortentia, which all of you know is a potion that I love, and I have done a couple different versions of. That's really cute. I love the colors. They're really pretty. Yeah, super cute. I know we've gotten a couple other prints that look like they're maybe made by the same artist in the same coloration before. So, yeah, that's really cool. All right, I'll make sure this is it. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. So overall, I think that was a good box. I really, really love the Vault Key, and I like Hagrid's Lantern. So, all right, let's see what we got. So, we have the exclusive Pixie t-shirt, which, again, I love that shirt. That's probably one of my favorite shirts we've gotten in quite a while. The exclusive numbered Vault Key, the Groundskeeper Lantern ornament. So, yeah, I may actually put that on my Harry Potter Christmas tree. We'll see, because that's really, really cute. I do wish it lit up or gave us an option to make it light up, but yeah, that's really neat. The You're a Wizard pin, the monthly Elixir of Life tea, and then the Harry Potter A3 poster number 82, so that's the proclamation poster. And that one is licensed by Warner Brothers and designed by Pyramid International, so that's cool. And then we have the licensed and exclusive Love Potion print. And again, that was licensed by Warner Brothers, and it's exclusive to GeekGear. So they've got the YouTube highlight as Victoria McLean, not sure. And then next month's hint is potions. So I'm super excited to see what they do with that. I don't know whether they'll give us some more potions, kind of like they did the Felix Felicis bottle, which I still plan on revamping for you guys. Or if they'll maybe give us like a cool cauldron or something like that. So I'm kind of curious to see what they're going to do with that next month. But yeah, this was a great box. All right, so that's going to be it. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought of this box. What was your favorite item? And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.